Hi, this is Ed from Delta-Therm, here to tell you how to install an OTS-F1 mechanical thermostat. The device operates exactly like a single pole switch. So if you think of it in that regard, it's very simple to install this. So what you would do with this is you'd run conduit to it, and you would pull a hot and a neutral wire to this. There are two terminal screws inside here. Doesn't matter which one you pick, just like a single pole switch in your house. That's all that would be required to make this thing operate. This thing's rated up to 22 amps, up to 277 volts. It could be used for ambient or line sensing. By ambient, you would have this portion of the device out in free air, and it would be detecting that temperature. If it was for line sensing, this would be attached directly to the pipe underneath insulation. This is a bulb and capillary, which means that this is not a wire. It's a hollow tube, and this is filled with a gas, and that's how the device functions. That's virtually all it is. Just think single pole, single throw switch, and you won't have any trouble. Thanks.